Welcome to our channel. Are you dreaming of a stunning home but worried about breaking the bank? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today we're diving into affordable decor ideas that will transform your space without emptying your wallet. Let's get started. First up, a fresh coat of paint can do wonders. Whether it's a bold accent wall or a soft neutral shade, paint is one of the most affordable ways to give your space an instant facelift. Why buy expensive art when you can make your own? Grab some canvases, paint, or even printables and create unique wall decor that reflects your personality. Head to your local thrift store for hidden gems. From vintage mirrors to quirky lamps, you'd be amazed at the treasures you can find at a fraction of the cost. Invest in furniture that does double duty. Pieces like storage ottomans or convertible sofas are not only functional, but also budget-friendly in the long run. Swap out old curtains, rugs, and throw pillows for something fresh. Look for deals online or during sales to get high-quality items at a low cost. Plants add life to any room, and you don't have to spend a fortune. Look for affordable indoor plants like succulents or pothos to add greenery and charm. Upcycling is not only eco-friendly, but also budget-friendly. Turn mason jars into chic vases or repaint old furniture for a brand new look. Lighting sets the mood in any room. Affordable options like string lights, LED strips, or thrifted lamps can add warmth and ambiance to your home. Decorating your home doesn't have to cost a fortune. With a little creativity and these affordable ideas, you can create a space you'll love without overspending. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more budget-friendly decor ideas. See you next time.